Hey guys, so I just want to go over how to download VS Code and maybe some of the extensions that I use. Very quick, brief video. So let's go ahead and get started. Within PowerShell, all you have to do, if you watch my other videos on Chocolatey, just do Choco install VS Code. For me, since it's already downloaded, it'll go through its download, or it'll just state that it's downloaded, I'm pretty sure. And I won't need it. Yeah, just I could always force reinstall it. But for new people, all you have to do is just go to, I believe it's Visual Studio Code. Code.visualstudio.com. It'll prompt you up with a prompt on like what to download. So you could either have it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Linux also has open source distributions for you to be able to use. So once you have it downloaded, let me just share some of the extensions that I like to use. All right. Let's go ahead and download Docker because I need that. So usually I have Python installed within this, which gives me the support to be able to code within Python. I use material theme icons, which gives me a broad range of different icons. I also have like here, I'll show you what I mean by like a broad range. So let's just do index.html. That changes it to like the HTML logo. We could always do a CSS. That gives it a CSS document icon, JavaScript icon, or Python, or Jupyter Notebook. There's plenty. Like I know that I can barely ever think of all of them. CSS, SAS. What other language? Database. PowerShell. Batch, which is batch files that tell your computer what to do. We'll probably go over videos in this, but so that's one of them. It gives you a lot of different icons. I also use material theme as my coloring scheme, but however, I think I have Horizon installed on mine. Yeah, I have Horizon as the coloring scheme. It's just something that I've been using lately. I like it. I also, for my web development possibilities, I have the live server. So for this instance, let's just go ahead and do index.html, start up a whole document, just save that, and then go ahead and go live with this. And what it means by go live is that you now can see, since the document's empty, you can see the title right there, document. It'll give you a little live server to be able to do your development, and then you can link up your CSS files and start visualizing what you're changing and what you're adding into the screen. So let's just go ahead and add like an H1 tag so you guys can see this. Hello, my name, Jonathan. Save it. Let's see if it went ahead and changed it. Yep. All right, went ahead and changed it. Here, let's make it easier for everybody. So H2 tag, I code sometimes. And there we go. So you'll start being able to visualize it. This, of course, is an ugly web page, but mainly I'm just trying to show you guys what different extensions are doing. Jupyter Notebook, in case what I use Jupyter Notebook for, here I'll show you, is to write up Python scripts or to test things out. In case I'm usually using this for work to be able to like write up a script to move files around into different folders based on some criteria. But it gives you a little Jupyter Notebook, that way you don't have to actually download the whole thing. Actually, let's just do name equals file print name, and I'll probably go through a little bit of a 101 on Python. It'll print out the file. So there's just many different things, and the extensions are endless. There's such a huge community behind this, and I know that this is just a new install, and as I continue to like use new things, Visual Studio Code will actually prompt me with things as well on being able to like, hey, you might want to download this extension just because other people are using it. You have debug consoles problems. In case you want to run a debug on like a JavaScript file that you're running, you can also do that. You can incorporate your Git repositories into it as well. You can search for words. If you have a remote distro or a remote server that you want to log into, you can do that as well. I know for Windows, if you have Windows, if you're a Windows Power user, you can use that as well. So just wanted to go over a quick overview on like installing Visual Studio Code and all the little different extensions that I might use. I know that it's probably not a broad range of them, but those are the ones that I'm typically go to whenever I get on a new computer and I need to be able to code something up. So hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys would like different content related to this, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much.